Hey, it's Beardo back again from White Rock Dodge, and behind me is our newest demon gladiator, codenamed Maximus. So, as per usual, with all of our other America's Most Wanted builds, this started life as a 2023 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. And it may look like a 24, but we just put that 24 grille on there, the controversial grille. Under the hood of this Gladiator is the venerable 840 horsepower Demon engine from America's Most Wanted. And as per usual, we sent the truck and the crate over to our friends at Epic Adventure Outfitters, who professionally installed this engine conversion. Now, for suspension, wheels, and tires, we have, of course, the custom-tuned Falcon shocks from America's Most Wanted, and of course, the TerraFlex 3.5-inch springs, which lifts this truck up nice and high. For wheels, we have bronze fuel rims, and those are wrapped in Mickey Thompson Baja Boss tires in 37-inch. And these are still fantastic tires. And of course, being a Demon Gladiator, we couldn't leave the interior untouched. So we had these beautiful seats done by our friends over at United Automotive Interiors, and they embroidered the Demon logo in the top. And they are super comfortable catskin leather seats. Other goodies include the upgraded Alpine infotainment system, and that is a super cool upgrade for any Jeep JL or JT. Highly recommend. Plus, on the grab handle, we have the America's Most Wanted plaque that says America's Most Wanted 4x4. Now, other goodies included on this truck are front CV axle shafts, which will help with all that power, and in the rear, a custom-built Dana 60 axle, which will handle all of that horsepower, no problem. On top of that, we have a custom spare tire carrier mounted in the bed for that full-size 37-inch spare, and the America's Most Wanted Demon 840 headlights, which look very, very good. And on the opposite side of those CV axle shafts, we have the TerraFlex Delta Big Brake Kit, so you can stop all that horsepower on a dime. Maximus is our newest America's Most Wanted engine conversion, and it is a Demon, so you get all that horsepower plus a whole bunch of other goodies, and it's for sale exclusively at White Rock Dodge. This thing was built in partnership with America's Most Wanted and Epic Adventure Outfitters, and we are the only ones in Western Canada who are doing these engine conversions. So if you're looking for something like this, give us a call or go to wrdperformance.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.